In today's video, we're going to be doing a bath bomb mold demonstration, and this is one of the 3D printed molds that we print ourselves. This is our Daisy, and it consists of a bottom plate, an outside shell, and a top plunger. So take your bottom plate, stick it on the table, your shell goes on the top of that, and then just start filling. Give it some shakes. Take our top plunger, turn it upside down, and give some presses. Turn. Taps around the outside shell. This is to loosen up any bath bomb mixture that got trapped in between your shell and your two cups or plates or plunger. Taps on the top plunger. Turn it over, some taps on the bottom plate. Straight up and off with our bottom plate. All right, fingers underneath, thumb on the top. We're going to push straight up with that bottom plunger. Get it up and out of that shell. Take your cardboard, stick it on the bottom and turn it over. Straight up and off with our top plunger. And there's our beautiful Daisy. All right, you guys, if you would like to purchase this or any of the other molds that we have for sale, you can find them all on soap-chef.com. I will put the link down below.